Life affirmation and less life affirmation. We are in this life for a short period of time. Enjoy life. Be happy. Art. Picasso. Boy with a pipe. This paint is from Picasso's Happy Time, Rose period. He used cheerful orange and pink colors. It is not the subject and its context that matter most, but the paint itself. It was his happy time, a celebration of life. Vincent van Gogh. He reinvented himself for a long time, until he couldn't do it anymore. He killed himself. He reinvented himself, ignoring the fact that people did not recognize his job, but suddenly he gave up. Literature. If I Should Die. Emily Dickinson. It is a cheer of life and death. Bridge to Therapy. This popular boy is about a boy named Jesse who has a friend, Leslie, that falls to her death. Then Jesse tries to find how to go on his own life. Music. Gospel music is a genre of Christian music, and it is composed and performed for many purposes, including aesthetic pleasure, religious, and even entertainment products for the marketplace. On the other side, we have music that can be used also as a ritual for death, like in New Orleans, where they break into happy jazz in funerals. The musical stage. Avenue Q is a great musical theater where talks about today's economically, politically, and socially troubled times with refreshing words, giving the calming effect of life is good, enjoy it. Beetlejuice musical. Lifeless affirmation. Welcome to a show about death. A great musical that tells the story about a couple that died in a car accident and then find themselves stuck haunting their countryside, unable to leave the house. That's the thing with life. No one makes it out alive. Theater. Life affirmation can be a comedy at the theater. You enjoy life when you laugh. Odd Couple was originally produced for Broadway. For the film version, Matthew is Oscar and Felix was portrayed by Jack Lemmon. It is a great play. Life left affirmation in this place, the famous, where Socrates drank poison, indicating that the freedom to think and communicate rationally was more important than being alive. Film and television. Joel Osteen. A life affirmation is the program of Joel Osteen. He is a spiritual life coach. He preaches about how people can improve their life, be prosperous, and experience happiness. On the other side, less life affirmation. People don't die. They convert in zombies. We can see that in the movie The Walking Dead or the series.